What's your go-to makeup routine for when you want to be just a little bit dressed up but don't have a ton of time to get ready? A soft sweep of shimmery shadow gives you the perfectly effortless, but alluring makeup that will take you from the office, to meetings, and after-work dinner. The following is the step-to-step eye makeup tutorial. Step 1. After priming your eyelid, apply Humble all over your lid. Step 2. Apply Seductive all over the lid. Step 3. Apply Charming on the crease for a soft transition color. Step 4. To make your eyes pop, use Fearless to line your lashes with an angled brush. All in all, this natural eye makeup takes less than 5 minutes. I love doing simple looks like this for meetings and casual events. Do you guys want to see more step-by-step makeup tutorials like this? Tell me in the comments.